Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2016 Polaris Slingshot SL with 20,309 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, and a multifunction 4-speaker audio system. The Slingshot was built for exhilarating power and agility with responsive handling, 3-wheeled stability, and high-end performance. The Slingshot exists in a class of its own. Powered by a 2384cc 4-cylinder engine, the Slingshot puts 173 horsepower and 166 foot-pounds of torque through a manual 5-speed transmission. It has seating for 2, 5-inch ground clearance, and weighs in at 1,741 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.